All right, so that completes this 7-part toolbox build out series. I really want to thank you guys for joining in on the build series and just posting all your positive comments, catching me on some of the incorrect warranty comments that I made. You guys are keeping me on my toes. I really like that because I don't like giving the wrong information. So once you guys correct me on a few things, I pinned those comments, and then I wanted to correct them here as well and address any comments that you guys make. I do read all the comments. As you guys can see, I hit the like button and the heart button on each one. So it's really cool that you guys are really participating in this toolbox build out. Any of you guys who are watching this one, this build series, go ahead and check out the playlist. I listed it all the way from part 1 all the way to part 7. And I have links in the description of all the different tools that I built out this toolbox with. I really want to thank the ones who made the purchase, because I am a Amazon affiliate. So I saw that there was like 7 people who clicked on the links and purchased some parts. So that's really cool if you guys are supporting me. I'm gonna do another tool giveaway when this reaches 500 subscribers, and then I'll give another tool giveaway when it reaches 1,000, and then at that point, then it gets monetized. But it's like I said in the very first part of this toolbox build out series, I'm gonna be doing this for the next 20 years. Both this tool reviews, my JDM cars, doing that build out. I'll post some future videos in a bit more detail on the story I told you about that toolbox. A lot of people, they're thinking that, oh, this is just gonna be a toolbox build out. This channel is not just a tool channel. It's not just an automotive channel. It's gonna be a channel to help people go into their passions of toolbox build outs, tool reviews, and, automotive work, especially high performance. There are other channels out there. Chris Fixes, he doesn't show his face. I already showed some pictures of myself anyway in part 1. This is all about the tools, about the cars. That's what it's focused on. And then there's Dave's Auto Center. He talked about some things that happened to him when he was in high school. And I was thinking to myself, dude, this dude's like in his 60s or getting into his 70s. He has his son's working for him at his auto shop. The dude's a multi-millionaire. He has a really successful YouTube channel, a lot of followers. And yet he was still talking about things that happened to him when he was in high school. I'm like, bro, it's a automotive channel. Why are you talking about these personal things that happened to you when such a long time ago when you're so successful? And then you have Titan Machining. Some of the guys there, one of the bigger dudes there, he was talking about how when he was younger, he assaulted somebody and he committed a crime and he went to prison and he had to fix his life. And I'm just thinking to myself, why are these guys talking about these things on his channel? I mean, people are there for the cars, people are there for the machine tool technology. And then it just dawned on me that, well, it's a very simple reason why they're doing that. It's because they're human. Behind every camera, behind every show, these guys have things going on in their personal lives. And if you improve your personal life, you're gonna improve your YouTube life. So that's why, a lot of these guys on YouTube and everywhere, they put themselves out here in public. The more of these guys who make the right decisions, they can start their own YouTube channel and they're gonna bring a lot of value. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm gonna post another video about why I didn't buy any tool truck brands and how I took the money that I was gonna spend on Snap-on and turn it over $2 million. Okay, it's not $2 million liquid cash, it's $2 million of total assets. And that's the reason why I had emphasized so much on why I didn't go with Snap-on or any other tool truck brands, because you can always get them later on once you get more money. But this will do the job in the meantime. I'm also gonna post another video on the future of this channel, what my intentions are. Put an outline for you guys so that way you know the type of value that I'm gonna try to bring to this channel and try to grow a really positive community. There's been a lot of positive outpouring from all you guys. I just really want to thank you guys for making all those positive comments.